Hi, this is Chris Woods with the ECS Learning Team, and today we're going to discuss the MyArrow tool, Trackit. We'll start by going to the Arrow ECS homepage using the URL displayed on the screen. Click on the MyArrow link at the top of the window. This will take you to the customer login page. Using your credentials, log in to MyArrow. Click the Run My Business tab at the top of the screen. Then click Arrow Link in the Resources section of the menu. This will take you to the Arrow Link page where you should see a small magnifying glass icon in the toolbar. Clicking on this icon will open the Trackit tool. When the pop-up dialog opens, you'll see it identified as Trackit with 3 tabs at the top of the tool. You'll be able to search for your order information using quote, order, or invoice number. Selecting the Order tab gives you additional choices of either searching by customer purchase order or order number. Since 90% of the time you'll have a purchase order, we'll use this as our example. Enter your purchase order number in the field provided and click on the search icon. Entering partial numbers will return all relative matches in the search results window. Clicking on the order number expands the view to include transaction information for quote, order, and invoice. You can quickly see the status of each by the icon next to the transaction step. If correctly provisioned, you'll be able to see the Automation Lifecycle link. Click on Automation Lifecycle to open the B2B Tracker screen. This screen will immediately show you the status of your order. Clicking on the Transaction History link will open the History window. Looking at the Transaction History view, you can easily see when each step of the transaction took place. Return to the Trackit tool and click on the Quote link in the Details section of the transaction window. Clicking the link will open the Details window. This window will give you 2 choices to download information about your quote. You can either download in XML, XLS, or both formats. Clicking to download the file will provide you with a spreadsheet showing order details. This was just one example of the Trackit tool. Remember that you can also look up information using your order number, your quote number, or your invoice number. We hope that this video has helped you, and thank you for watching.